Use the wind, make sure you deal with the wind. Yeah, get to grips with it early doors when it holds up, when it swells, that we just meet it and attack it.
Coven crosses all the way in, it might loop in. Oh my god, it has looped in!
He just needs to shake it off now, though, doesn't he? That's all. We'll just catch it.
What's it like out there with the wind?
It's hard to read, harbour the sun in your eyes away, hard to see. Very nice.
Pat, clear it out your head, yeah, it's gone.
Who's on kit? Sam's back's on kit. Nashi and Nashi.
2-6. That's Nashi on it, drop it. Come here.
Oh yeah, that's how you hold on to it.